baka ituloy nila, so I think that's the more appropriate term, baka ituloy nila ang impeachment ni VP Inday kasi nga malaking balakid siya dun sa mga ambisyon ng ilang mga tao na nandyan. Alam niyo na kung sino yun. Bakit sila nag-aambisyon? Well, if they try to change the Constitution, unang-una, she has a platform na it might bring things to a head. Masyadong kumbaga aggressive yung action ng pagbabago ng saligang batas as long as there are people who oppose it. And people like VP Inday have power, have position, have platform, and following, di ba? And people. So, position, platform, and people ang meron si VP. And therefore, it's not going to be that easy. One, to change the Constitution, and two, to try to perpetuate themselves in power. Now, isa pang dahilan kung bakit pinag-uusapan nila ang impeachment ni VP Inday is, if you will notice, every time may bagong pasabog, every time they are put on the defensive, may ilalabas sila. Ang kaso nagasgas na nila masyado yung yung ICC issue. Gasgas na yan. Pero tignan mo ang Kongreso, try again. Meron pa silang mga patawag si Digong. Baka siya iko-contempt namin siya pag hindi siya dumating, pakukulong namin siya, etc., etc., etc. But they also know how badly that's going to look to the people. Diba? Kailan ba naman sila? Kailan? When did Congress ever have the kind of kapal ng muka to call in a former president and require him to answer to congressmen? Sa akin, it's never been done before because no matter what, respect has been accorded to former presidents, and they also have to understand that there are some things that the president cannot reveal because they are matter of national security or constitute state secrets. So, ewan ko ba dito sa mga to? Gandang hapon, si CRTV. Sabi niya, kung i-impeach nila si VP, di ba kailangan ng strong evidence? Of course not. It requires no evidence at all except whatever it is that Congress wants to appreciate. So tayo, if we're trying to convince them, kailangan meron tayong strong evidence. Pero kung sila yung nagsasampa, pwedeng motu proprio, isang congressman lang ang kailangan mag-file, what do you think it will take just to convince the congressmen to cast their vote? Huwag tayong mag-ilusyon. An impeachment proceeding isn't even about evidence. Tignan yung ginawa nila kay Justice Corona. There was no probable cause. Naghanap sila ng ebidensya during the trial in the Senate. So, ano sa tingin ninyo? Kaya nila noon, kakayanin uli nila ngayon. So, let's not go into that na people will argue na tama naman, ganyan. The trolls will come out and say, ayan, kasi ganito siya. Kasi corrupt, gahaman, whatever. They're going to try to make it about a cause. Huwag tayong magpalinlang. There is no cause here. There is no evidence. There is no wrongdoing. Anong kasalanan ni VP Inday? Outsider siya. Just like any of the outsiders in government have been removed, it is because these people want to stay in power and have no intention of providing public service. So, Alan says, itry lang nila ipatawag, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. But that's what they're doing. Every time, halimbawa, mukhang nakakatakot talaga yung sinabi ni Cathy Binag, yung tuloy-tuloy. Every so often, may ilalabas yan. Every so often, may panibagong pasabog yan. Tapos, nirarat-rat din po sila ni VP Inday, di ba? Ano yan? Cash, cocaine, champagne? Ano yun? She's taking direct hits at this administration. Hindi siya nagbubulag-bulaga na, and she will tell it like it is. She is here, sabi niya. She will use her platform to show the administration how to command. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin, hindi marunong maging leader yung mga nakaupo. Anong klase yan? Unfortunately, yun nga, nabudol tayong lahat. Akala naman natin, ako personally, akala ko, well, he's this banjing nice guy, pero once presidente ka, baka naman he will grow into position. Ay nako, hindi pala, mali. Sabi ni Ella Svensson Cantarell, mas bagay ka pang maging first lady. Uy, grabe kayo. Sinong babalukarain ba babalibagin natin para maging presidente pagka ganun, 'di ba? Wag naman. Sabi ni Margaret Magsaysay, is it possible may impeach si Inday? Yes, it is. Ganito ha. What does it require? Numbers in Congress. Now, let me be absolutely clear. What does impeachment mean? Impeachment is when Congress finds probable cause. Yan po ang impeachment. If it goes to trial in the Senate, that's an impeachment trial. Pero if you're just saying impeachment, impeachment is what happens in Congress. Anong Supreme Court? Sabi ni Ron, the Supreme Court, however, has the power to determine whether or not there's grave abuse of discretion. They cannot hide in the cloak of political question doctrine. Yes, but neither can they interfere in the sole powers of Congress. They won't do that. How many times? The Supreme Court itself declined to give a decision during the impeachment trial of CJ Corona. Natakot din sila. They could have decided that way. Yes, of course. Pero what did they do? They did not decide. They let it slide. Natakot sila kay Presidente Noynoy. Sabi ni Tess De Leon Hammer, respect is one word this Congress and the first family do not know. I agree. Sabi ni Vince Nev, I stand for Sara Duterte attorney, we will fight with information. Nasa era na tayo ng online platforms, information wars, it is. That's it. That's what I'm saying. And ako, I'm not just going to stick to being online. I'm going to, if I have to take to the streets, I will. If I have to go to gatherings of 50 people, 100 people, papatulan ko yan. Yan ang pinramis namin ni Attorney Glenn Chong eh. Kaya yung mga there are, what do you call this, maisog leaders for minsan 50 people lang, 100 people, we will be there. We will go there. Hindi kami magsasawa na i-explain kung anong ginagawa sa atin ng mga to. Sabi ni AH, malaman na at magkabukasan dapat abolish na yung Kongreso. Well, naniniwala ako na dapat tanggalin lahat ng mga tao doon. And naniniwala ako na kailangan ng reforma. Totoo yan. Pero there always has to be a legislative body. Sabi ni Pandalito, gusto ko to, sabi niya, hindi impeachment, kundi drug test ang kailangan namin. Yan. Marte de la Cruz says, walang kwentang gobyerno ngayon, puro waldas pondo ng bayan, puro tambalos-los, mga tong congressman, puro lang sila pasikat. Sabi ni Abel, this is the first time na walang nasigaw ng tuta ng kanoan. Oo nga, kasi kakampi na. Hi kay Robbie Sanchez. Sabi ni Way I See It, running out of ammo na ang mga Marcos and company against the Dutertes. But you know what? It's not just the Dutertes. On dali-dali simplify na it's about the Dutertes. No, it's not about the Dutertes. It's about the Marcoses' greed. It's about the people who are sitting in power. Isama na natin, Marcos Romualdez. Yung mga yan. It's about their greed. It's about wanting to stay in power. I mean, really? How much do they need to steal pa, di ba? Bilyon-bilyon ang nananakaw sa isang araw. Pero hindi pa sila natutuwa niyan. Hindi pa sila kontento niyan. Kailangan talaga they stay in power like forever. Hindi pa, nabalitaan nyo na ba yung mga nag-resign na konsehal sa Manila City Hall? Talaga, may nag-resign? Well, we're going to have to read about that. But this live is about VP Inday. We'll read about that. Sige, discuss natin yan mamayang gabi. What if i-push ang Congress ang impeachment? Ano yung pwedeng gawin natin para di ma-impeach si Inday Sara? Well, we're going to have to show them that the numbers of people out there, kasi ang mga kongresista, representante yung mga yan. They represent people. They represent people of particular districts. So we have to be noisy. We have to tell them in no uncertain terms that this is not what we want. Tama yung sinabi ng isa nandito. Drug test ang gusto namin, hindi impeachment. Sabi ni Jomac, nakakahiya po sila. They're all corrupt. Tanti says, mas mura po drug test kaysa impeachment. We can save time and money. O nga eh. Sabi ni Sena, papayag ba tayo they will stay forever? No, no, no. Yes, but we need to get together. What is the first step? The first step is to inform. Okay, ihambing natin sa 1986. Paano na-inform ang mga tao? Wala pang internet. May mga publications, yung tinatawag nilang mosquito press. Yan, yung mga Mr. and Miss and all that. Mayroon silang mga, they started printing out all of these things. Now, tayo, we have internet. That's why things move faster and is more fast-paced in this modern age than it was in the 80s and in the 70s. But don't forget, there's also still the face-to-face interactions. So when you go to your family reunions, your class reunions, when you're on vacation, tapos may nakausap kayo sa sasakyan and all that, be the best. Kumbaga, you will be the ambassador for the cause. Every one of us. Every time may makausap tayo, total strangers, friends, ganyan-ganyan, there is the opportunity to convince somebody. Let's just keep talking. Let's just keep pushing. And